Good afternoon, guys. I hope we're all sparkly. A quick video before I run the dogs for the second time today. Yes, lucky dogs. They love it. The other day I was asked if I was happy. Is it because I was looking sad? No. It's because I have a very normal conversation with my guys. After we've crossed the T's and dotted the I's, we talk about life. We sometimes get a little bit deep. So, what was the answer? Am I happy? Well, my answer was, I'm working on it. Does that mean I'm unhappy most of the time? No, it means I'm constantly looking to improve my state, to improve my sense of well-being through earning my reward. Now, as men, we're reward driven because yes, testosterone has a close relationship with dopamine. So we're constantly active. There are no days off. If you have a day off, how do you feel? Bored. And only boring people are bored. So don't be boring. Do stuff. The happiest people I know are the busiest people I know. Not headless chickens, but people with purpose, with drive and determination. And when you've got low testosterone, you've lost that drive and determination. You've got a foggy head. You forget people's names. You walk into a room and forget why you went into that room. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean testosterone is going to cure all that, because there was a time when I went into my house to look for my headphones, couldn't find them, walked out to the car and found them on my head. So yeah, TRT doesn't cure life. It won't give you an automatic invite to Mensa, but it will help clear the fogginess. And as we've said before, testosterone is the foundation hormone hello, Dexter, necessary for growth and repair. So TRT really is the catalyst for change. And you've approached a clinic, Dexter, you've approached a medical clinic, somebody that can be objective in your subjective experience, who can prescribe you the necessary medications, safely titrate your dose according to effect to get you optimal hormone levels, to allow you to put the work in to earn your reward. So we talk about addressing sleep hygiene, with sleep apnea being a massively underdiagnosed, unrecognized medical condition. Snoring, ho ho ho, isn't it funny? No, not really, because it's essentially turbulent air, and that turbulent air is going to drop your oxygen saturations and create a stress state. And what do you need when you're sleeping? Yeah, a restful state. So yeah, do not ignore snoring. If you do snore and you get the elbow from the missus, organise a sleep study, either through your GP or, if you're under my care and supervision, through clinic, because you won't feel great on TRT with sleep apnea. Again, TRT is not a cure-all, fix-all. We need to address all our aspects of health, sleep, stress, as we've said before, engage in cold water therapy, breath work, mindfulness, grounding, blah, 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 to combat the chaos and the madness of our modern civilized world. Eat a healthy, well-balanced diet. Eat what you need, not what you want. Practice intermittent fasting. Place your body through that adversity before you give it a reward, because then you can appreciate a reward. And I love adversity. I really love finding comfort in discomfort. So fasting is a mild version of that. Climbing Mount Kilimanjaro is a more intense version of that. And we've recently completed 3 marathons in 3 days. Somebody asked me, why did we do that? I didn't really know. It was a challenge. And we didn't prepare. Well, we climbed Mount Kilimanjaro. So, as I said to Nikki, it's just walking for a protracted period of time, numerous days. Yeah, it was difficult, but my God, what an accomplishment it was. Day 3 was the hardest, Essentially, it was scrambling across the coastline, and it was hard. We got to checkpoint 2, and this ex-military guy, we asked him, said, what time does checkpoint 3 close? And he said, before you get there. So what did we do? We double timed it, and we got there with 20 minutes to spare. So the look on his face was priceless. Don't ever challenge us, because we'll beat you. Because we are determined. Now, obviously, I'm TRT driven. No, I have healthy hormone levels. TRT is no longer the catalyst for change in me. I feel very normal on testosterone replacement therapy. I feel how I should feel. I wake up and I decide today is going to be a day worth living. Day, night, day, night, day, night. I have day practices in place to make sure I combat the chaos of the modern civilized world. We do challenges to earn our reward, get a big dopamine hit, but understand as soon as it's over, and we need to start building little wins again and again and again and again, because there are no days off in Mother Nature. Remember that. Working week, weekend, vacation, there are no days off. So live according to your physiology, because your physiology will help you stay sane. Your emotions won't. Your body couldn't care less about your emotions. So listen to your body to improve your mind, to improve your emotions. Because consciousness is the subjective appreciation of subtle change in physiology. And as one of my favorite guys, Bill Hicks, said, today, a young man on acid realized that all matter was merely energy condensed to a slow vibrating hum. There's no such thing as death, and life is the imagination of yourself. Here's Tom with the weather. True. So we should all listen to these gurus, shouldn't we? No. We should take what we need from each guru and build our own path. Our own journey is ours. So take a semblance of control back by making decisions, and testosterone will allow you to make those decisions. It positively impacts a part of the brain called the amygdala. It makes us less risk adverse. It's why men are explorers. It's why men are hunters. So we need to be physically active to earn our reward. It is that simple. I promise you, it's that simple. Put the effort in, achieve the reward. All those things that you did with low testosterone that didn't have a positive impact, with healthy testosterone and the correct mindset, earning your reward, will ultimately give you the reward that you seek. Now, it's not, we're all human. We all make mistakes repeatedly, and you can still make those mistakes, but be considered about them. So if you're going to do something stupid, before you do it, understand the consequences. And then hopefully you won't do it. So there's that chronicity to hormones, and an acuteness to your nervous system, and a reactiveness to the brain. That triangle, that inverted triangle, is incredibly important to understand, because ultimately hormone dysregulation will cause mood dysregulation. Testosterone and estradiol are in multiple areas of the brain, not just the amygdala. So they are necessary for brain function. Testosterone has a relationship with dopamine. Estrogen has a relationship with serotonin. Dopamine is excitatory, serotonin is inhibitory. You can see there's a fascinating interplay. And then you balance those two hormones and DHT against cortisol. And the neurotransmitters, the excitatory neurotransmitters, wonderfully complex to make your life wonderfully simple. One more time. Concentrate on lifestyle, nutrition, exercise, then hormonal health. Don't fixate about testosterone as a cure-all, fix-all. It is a necessary part of the puzzle, but people on TRT who are well balanced are not thinking about TRT. Most of my annual reviews go, don't even think about it anymore. We check their numbers, we say continue, we have a bit of a chat, and I send them on their way. And we only review these guys once a year when they're stable, because there's no need, because they are earning their reward.